Hello my amigos, and today's we're going to show you my new bag from Crocs. Ayan siya. No further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, finally, dumating na siya kasi been like 2 months ko siya hinintay na mag-restock. So guys, so ito na siya. Diba? Napakaganda. Super ganda nito. Look. Diba? It's the Croc Classic Backpack color black. Ito, na-order ko sa crocs.ph. Ito, nung pumunta kami ng Boracay, nabili ko siya. It's the Crocs coin purse worth 995 pesos. This cost 4,295 pesos. Tag niya, it's the Crocs. Then dito sa likod, ito yung parang lalagyan natin ng G-bits. And one thing, kinuha ko to sa Crocs kung sandals. Yung pangalan ko, Will. Ito yung Will. Dalawang L dapat to. And then the Pokemon. So Pokemon yung team natin for today. Dalawang compartment for the water or payong. For travel talaga to. And gagamitin ko siya for me to travel. Right? So yung mga G-bits natin, dito natin ilalagay. Tingnan natin sa loob. OMG. Marami siyang compartment. You have big compartment here. You can put pencil and ball pen. Dito naman sa likod, may foam naman siya. May pangalan pala dito sa ilalim na Crocs. Parang sleeper lang siya. Meron ditong Crocs na name. And then dito may Crocs din na name sa front. And then ito may Crocs din na name dito. Rubber pala siya. So we have 2 compartments. Ito muna sa likod. You can put your laptop here. 16 siguro pinaka-ano nito. And then next, sa taas. Ayan siya. Meron tayong dalawang compartment. Pwede talaga to for my computer, for my gadgets talaga. So, yan guys, ito na yung Crocs natin. And I think ito yung coin purse natin. Ilalagay natin dito. Here's our coin purse. Medyo marami na to. And then, pakpak natin. Dito lang yung strap niya dito. And then, ilalagay natin yung G-bits natin dito. So, we will have the Pokemon, Stitch and Lilo, our G-bits, nandito sa likod. Ayan. So, that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. And see you on my next video. I'll just meet you guys. Peace out. Bye!